Hey, what? Oh, do y'all really want to know what's under this wig?
Do you?
Everybody knows that Raebae love her some wigs.
You not rocking with the bass, the bass.
Boop, 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 boop. You're not rocking
With the bass, the bass.
It's your girl Spoonbae.
And it's Raebae.
And we are
The bass. Hey y'all, what is up?
What's up?
We come to y'all with another video, and it's a hair video. And guess why this hair video is so special? Because it's gonna be done by my wife. She's gonna do my hair, and guess what? We're gonna have a wig reveal. Everybody knows I love wigs. I got this kind of wig, I got that kind of wig, I got all kinds of wigs. I'm gonna take off my wig for y'all tonight to show y'all what is under this beautiful piece right here. Do they want to see that shit?
I think they want to see what's under the wig.
Okay.
Let them see what's
I'm
under
a
the
little
wig.
nervous, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't never done this before. I have never taken off my wig for nobody. You can even ask my wife. It took me a long time to take off my wig when we met, okay? Especially not on camera.
Yeah. It's the first time for everything.
Okay, so are y'all ready?
5, 4,
Y'all ready?
3, 2, 1.
Lay your wig back.
Like that.
Like that. Nah, let me stop playing. As y'all can see, I have nothing but a full rock star dreads underneath those wigs, and my baby's gonna do my hair. She is a loctician. She knows how to do those dreads. If you want your dreads done just like mine, hit her up at Hair by Spoon, okay? So let's see Spoon turn out or trick out her wife's hair.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Started off with washing my hair, and I love getting my hair washed because I love getting hair massages. She also uses natural products in my hair, so y'all stay tuned for the finished look. This process usually takes an hour and a half. It takes an hour for the retwist and 30 minutes for the style.
So we're almost at we're at the crown. We're at almost finished, right?
Yep.
Should we almost finish, yeah?
Mom. Jay. That's not my shit. God damn, I gotta do that.
If you know what you're doing, then it don't matter if I scratch my head. You should know what you're doing.
They ain't got nothing to do with it. Stop. Keep your hands out your head.
You gotta know what you're doing, baby. That's all I'm saying.
Baby, look. Clearly. I know what
you're
I'm
doing. If you don't know what you're doing, I don't know what to tell you.
When we want to crack my head. Not me.
Guess what? I'm put on a wig.
Yes,
Straight up wigging. Yeah, this is the last dread that
Okay, so you know your girl is really feeling herself. I'm looking good. I'm ready for the style.
So you guys, this is the final look. What do y'all think? Like it? Hair by Spoon.
It's me.
Your girl has them skills. You like videos like this? Let me know so we can do more videos like this. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Right now.
Right now. Later.
Later.
Like this. I really do. It's cute.
It's
You
cute and
know?
fit you.
What you think, wigs or?
Take a break.
No.
Bye.